been around 2.5 to 3 years since the initial release of the blog site, and every year I would update it with few features to keep it alive. Trust me, building the website is not the hard part, but maintenance is. Now, if you're from a software background, you know how much the software companies charge for maintenance in comparison to the initial price of the product. My main focus started with just the front end. Like everyone, I started with HTML, custom CSS, then added a little bit of Bootstrap. Further, I made use of custom JavaScript to add on-click animations, dynamic functions. Once you get hang of these frameworks, you tend to use it everywhere. But remember, they do come with a lot of drawbacks. Jquery was utilized to minimize the repetitive code and to make the code more readable. The final task was to make the website responsive across all the devices, which was quite easy. Buy a domain name with extensions like .com, .app, .tech, whatever floats your boat. Choose a suitable hosting service for the server where you will eventually host your website. When I started, I went with extensions like c1, .biz, .nf, etc. Now, this could possibly redirect your users to malicious websites and overall have negative impact on the SEO. I finally extended this front-end project with a little bit of PHP and MySQL using PHP MyAdmin. Enable Google Analytics or maybe Microsoft Insight, something like that, and tracking to get the information on the viewers, demographics, etc. Make the code more SEO friendly and try to crawl the Google search index. Try to rank your web page on top of the Google search results. Now, in the future, if the domain is still active, then you'll get to visit the blog site. Until then,